Hello, my friends. Today we will thoroughly learn how to effectively add the much desired dark mode feature to your WhatsApp application. This convenient method works seamlessly on both WhatsApp Business and the regular WhatsApp version. First, simply open the application as you normally would, just as usual. Next, tap on these three dots in this spot. Then select Settings from here. After that, scroll down a little and look for the option labeled Chats. If your phone is set to a different language, remember the locations and icons you need to go to. First, you will need to tap here on the screen. Then you will subsequently find this particular option, which is clearly labeled as Theme. Proceed to tap on it to select it. Here, please carefully select this specific option. After that, you can simply tap OK. As you can clearly see, the entire application has now successfully switched to a much darker mode. If you've reached this point, don't forget to check out this playlist. This comprehensive playlist contains some incredibly useful WhatsApp tutorials where you'll discover many important and highly beneficial guides that you will undoubtedly find very helpful and truly appreciate. Goodbye, my friends.